Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-on kits we have available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have a cardstock add-on, a pattern paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. You can add on 1, 2, or all 3. This just really helps you get more from your kits and have lots more options. You can also check out the Shots of Life kit because it will give you more pattern paper and embellishments that coordinate with your Flavors of the Month. So let's dig in. I'm going to start with the cardstock here and show you everything that you're going to get in each one of the 3 add-ons. So for the cardstock add-on, you get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So that's 1 of one color and 2 of another. So if you're a double page layout girl and you want to have cardstock for your backgrounds, that works out really well. So for the Echo Park Let's Create collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of aquamarine and 2 sheets of cranberry. For Paige Evans' Splendid collection, you're going to get a sheet of lemon and 2 sheets of geranium. For the Pretty Little Studio Wildflowers collection, you're going to get a sheet of Cascade and 2 sheets of Sweetheart. And then Simple Stories Let's Go Travel collection, you're going to get a sheet of Watermelon and 2 sheets of Gold Rush. So you can see how well those coordinate with the collections. So the next one is our patterned paper. So for the pattern paper add-on, you receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these are duplicates, they're 2 additional patterned papers. So starting with Echo Park Let's Create, you're going to get the 4x6 cut aparts. So I love this one with the notepad and the little camera, some great ones for journaling, and then some that have quotes and sayings that you could use to start off your journaling or do the journaling for you. The back is a painted swirl circle in all of the different colors. Then we have this one that's all of the different washi tapes and the different patterned papers that you're going to see in this collection. And the back is this. It looks like a fabric with the 4 little dots. This one is called Tape Party. For Paige Evans' Splendid, you're going to paper number 20, which is the birds and the flowers. The back is a gorgeous floral on that blue. Again, full branding strips of the paper that's on the other side. Paper number 3, which are these awesome butterflies on the dark teal. So this is a paper that's simple enough and perfect to fussy cut for embellishments. If you like doing things like that, like fussy cutting, I think it's very fun. The back is a stripe in all of the rainbow of colors. For Pretty Little Studio Wildflowers, we have this grid with the floral border going around. Looks like all the wildflowers, and then there's these butterflies. Just gorgeous. That's a perfect background. The back has that same kind of design up here, but then we have large scalloped circles down here in the purple and the text, and then that aqua with the floral. So you could also fussy cut those to put on your pages or your projects as well, or use this as a background just the way it is. So I'm not sure if I said. That paper is called Wildflowers. This one's Apple Blossom, which is the hexagons of all the different patterned papers. Again, you could use it as it is, but this is a perfect paper to fussy cut, or if you have a punch, you could see how well it matches up and punch that paper. The back uses those to embellish the side of this, so you could use this as a background just the way that it is. Makes your creating so quick and easy. For the Simple Stories Let's Go collection, we have the beautiful floral and the turquoise background. The back is the plus signs. This paper is called On Our Way. This paper, Enjoy the Ride, has all the license plates with the different words. Happy, vacay, flight, let's go, passport. Those are another fussy cut fun paper. The back is a map of the United States. So this is a lot of fun if you live somewhere over here on the east and some of the southeast. You could use this. You could also use it to document if you've traveled. So I'll say I live over here and we have traveled this way quite a bit. So I could use this and put photos up here and then map our road trip. That would be a lot of fun to use that paper. So one more look at the patterned paper add-on. Be sure to get that added if you're like me and you love your patterned papers. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. So for Pretty Little Studio, we have these clear stitch stickers in the rainbow of colors, so you don't have to do the work. They did it for you. Just rub them on. For Echo Park, Let's Create, you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. So they will vary. This is about half of a pack. Paige Evans Splendid Collection, you're going to get the pack of heart paper clips. So this is 12, so you'll get 2 of each color. That's a great deal. For Simple Stories, Let's Go, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I love all of the word labels and the different fonts that they've used in here. A scalloped border of the map print. More of those fun icons, the little luggage tag, words for your titles or to start off on your journaling, the Route 66, the little bug, and the VW bus. Just lots of cute icons. So that is the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Don't forget to check out the Shots of Life with coordinates, and I'll have a link here as well as the flavors of the month in case you haven't seen this month's reveal of the kit. Check out all the other items available in the store and the other kits. You can have them shipped all together to save some money. And join us over on the Facebook group and the blog for the challenges and see what everyone's creating. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with our kits.